As we age, the foods we choose to eat become more than just daily habits. They become critical decisions that shape our energy focus and quality of life. Among the most powerful, yet often underestimated health allies for seniors is the blueberry. This tiny, deep purple berry is not only delicious and convenient, it also packs a powerful nutritional punch that can profoundly transform your well-being. In today's video, we're going to explore exactly why blueberries have become a staple in so many wellness plans for people over 60. But more importantly, we'll uncover the foods you should never eat with them because the wrong combinations could secretly sabotage your health. Welcome to Wellness Daily 365. I'm Dr. Anthony, and I'll be guiding you through today's exploration of how blueberries can become your daily defense system against aging. Our mission here at Wellness Daily 365 is simple: to inspire older adults to take charge of their health using nature-based solutions, practical wisdom, and daily habits that truly work. We believe that wellness doesn't come in a bottle or from a miracle cure. It comes from your kitchen, your walk around the block, your laughter with friends, and the quiet decisions you make every single day. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and leave a comment below. We read every single one. Now let's begin with 5 remarkable ways blueberries can upgrade your health after 60. First, let's talk about your brain. Blueberries are filled with anthocyanins, those powerful antioxidants that give them their rich blue color. These compounds act like tiny warriors, protecting your brain cells from damage caused by free radicals. Over time, this protection can help slow cognitive decline, sharpen memory, and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Just a handful a day around 30 berries can make a meaningful difference. Second, blueberries are a gentle ally in blood sugar control. Their moderate glycemic index means they release sugar slowly into your bloodstream, avoiding the dangerous spikes and crashes that can lead to fatigue or even diabetes. The fiber and polyphenols in blueberries also improve how your body handles insulin, which becomes more important as insulin sensitivity declines with age. Third, let's look at your eyes. The older we get, the more our vision tends to fade. Blueberries help guard against macular degeneration and cataracts thanks to their rich vitamin E carotenoids, and again, those powerful anthocyanins. These nutrients enhance circulation in the tiny vessels of the eyes and protect the retina from oxidative damage. Fourth, blueberries are heart heroes. Heart disease remains the leading threat to people over 60, and blueberries help fight back by reducing inflammation, lowering blood pressure, and improving the elasticity of blood vessels. Eating them regularly has been linked to a reduced risk of stroke and heart attack. Fifth, they support skin health and slow visible aging. Blueberries help your body produce more collagen and fight the dullness and dryness that can come with age. Many people who eat blueberries daily report clearer, brighter skin and fewer signs of aging. When you combine all these benefits, it's clear that blueberries aren't just another health trend. They are a daily act of self-care, a natural supplement, and a superfood that's easy to add to your routine. Whether tossed into your oatmeal, blended into a smoothie, or simply eaten fresh from the bowl, this simple habit could have a huge payoff. But there's a twist. Not all food pairings are good ones. Coming up next, we'll reveal 3 common foods that actually block the benefits of blueberries. Some may surprise you. So make sure to keep watching, because understanding how to eat blueberries the right way is just as important as eating them in the first place. By now, you already understand that blueberries offer exceptional health advantages for seniors, from brain protection to blood sugar balance and heart health. But what many people overlook is the importance of what you eat with them. Yes, food combinations matter. Eating the wrong things alongside blueberries can actually cancel out those benefits or even cause harm. This happens due to how certain foods interact with the antioxidants, enzymes, and vitamins in blueberries, and understanding this interaction is key to maximizing your health after 60. Let's begin with milk. Cow's milk, though rich in calcium and protein, contains proteins that bind to the antioxidants in blueberries, particularly the anthocyanins. This binding makes it much harder for your body to absorb those antioxidants efficiently. That means even if you're eating a healthy bowl of blueberries every morning with your cereal and milk, you might not be getting any of their brain-boosting or anti-inflammatory benefits. Worse, vitamin C in the blueberries may also get broken down more quickly in the presence of dairy. This combination doesn't just reduce benefits, it can make your efforts feel like a waste. The second food to avoid is cucumber. While cucumbers are a hydrating and healthy vegetable, they contain an enzyme called ascorbate oxidase. This enzyme actually breaks down vitamin C, one of the most vital nutrients in blueberries. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production, immune support, and iron absorption, all of which are especially important in aging bodies. Eating cucumbers with blueberries might seem harmless, like in a refreshing salad or detox water, but the interaction between the enzyme and vitamin C can mean you lose much of that critical vitamin before your body even absorbs it. Over time, this reduces the ability of your body to repair tissue, fight infections, and maintain youthful skin. Lastly, there's pineapple. This sweet tropical fruit seems like a perfect match for blueberries in a fruit bowl or smoothie. However, both pineapple and blueberries are naturally acidic. When eaten together, especially on an empty stomach, their combined acidity can irritate the stomach lining, cause acid reflux, or lead to bloating. For seniors with sensitive digestive systems or existing gastrointestinal conditions, this can lead to ongoing discomfort. This isn't just a mild inconvenience. It could discourage you from maintaining a healthy habit like eating blueberries altogether. These three examples show us something powerful. Sometimes it's not what you eat, but how and when you eat it that determines how much your body benefits. A simple habit like combining blueberries with the wrong foods can quietly sabotage your well-being, even if your intentions are good. But here's the good news. Small changes in your eating habits can make a big difference. By learning to space out certain foods, such as eating blueberries a few hours apart from dairy or having cucumber and pineapple at different meals, you preserve the full power of the nutrients. This change doesn't require buying expensive supplements or starting complex routines. It's just about being mindful of combinations and the benefits. They're huge. When blueberries are absorbed properly, you support memory, reduce inflammation, improve blood flow, and maintain healthy vision and skin. Seniors who make these small adjustments often report more mental clarity, fewer digestive issues, and a more consistent sense of energy. There's also an emotional benefit. When your body feels good, your mood improves, your confidence grows, and your motivation to stick with healthy habits increases. You're not just eating better, you're living better. Making these mindful food choices is also a form of self-respect. It sends a message to yourself that your health matters and that you're willing to take the extra moment to protect it. In a world full of quick fixes, the slow, thoughtful habits are the ones that last. So don't let a simple mistake like mixing the wrong foods cancel out the superpowers of blueberries. Take control of your plate. Make it work for you. You've earned the right to feel strong, clear-minded, and vibrant, not just for today, but for the years ahead. Up next, we'll look at the best foods to pair with blueberries to amplify their effects including simple meal ideas that are easy to prepare and incredibly delicious. Now that we've identified the wrong foods to avoid, let's shift the spotlight toward the right choices. If you want to unlock the full potential of blueberries, combining them with the right foods and habits can act like a natural wellness booster. These combinations don't just add flavor or variety. They work together in harmony to enhance absorption, protect your organs, and help your body stay strong as you age. First up is the humble banana. This everyday fruit may seem simple, but it's a powerhouse when paired with blueberries. Bananas are rich in potassium, vitamin B6, and magnesium, all of which are vital for heart rhythm, brain health, and energy levels. More importantly, the soluble fiber in bananas slows digestion, helping your body absorb the antioxidants and vitamin C from blueberries more effectively. Try blending a banana and a handful of blueberries with almond milk for a smooth, sweet breakfast smoothie that gives you energy and protects your heart and brain. The second superfood partner for blueberries is plain unsweetened Greek yogurt. Unlike regular yogurt, Greek yogurt is higher in protein and packed with probiotics that support gut health. When you combine Greek yogurt with blueberries, you're not just creating a tasty snack. You're fueling your immune system, improving digestion, and promoting healthy aging at the cellular level. Make a simple breakfast bowl by layering Greek yogurt, fresh blueberries, and a sprinkle of cinnamon or flax seeds for extra flavor and fiber. It's satisfying, nutrient-rich, and takes just minutes to prepare. The third key ally is nuts, especially walnuts. Walnuts are filled with plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation, sharpen memory, and support brain function. When mixed with blueberries, these healthy fats actually enhance the antioxidant power of the fruit. A small handful of chopped walnuts tossed into a blueberry smoothie, oatmeal bowl, or salad makes a delicious and brain-boosting addition. Almonds and pecans also contribute vitamin E and magnesium, which support your muscles and heart. Want a quick and powerful snack? Try this: a bowl of unsweetened Greek yogurt topped with blueberries and crushed walnuts. It's creamy, crunchy, sweet, and seriously good for your body. Beyond just combining blueberries with the right foods, creating a routine is essential. Consistency is where transformation happens. Eat blueberries every day. Whether fresh or frozen in a smoothie or straight from the bowl, the key is to make them part of your daily rhythm. Store a container in the front of your fridge so they're always easy to reach. Plan ahead by prepping a few small servings for the week. Little routines build big results. And for those with chewing or swallowing difficulties, don't worry. You can cook blueberries into a compote or blend them into a smooth drink. The nutrients stay active even when softened, so you'll still benefit fully. This is important because we don't just want seniors to know about good foods. We want them to experience the rewards of eating well, no matter what challenges they face. Here's one more powerful tip. Try to eat blueberries in the morning. Your body absorbs antioxidants better when your digestion is fresh and active. Plus, starting your day with something so beneficial sets a positive tone that ripples into every choice you make afterward. And remember, the impact of blueberries is amplified when combined with movement, sleep, and hydration. A 10-minute walk after your blueberry-rich breakfast, drinking enough water throughout the day, and getting 7 to 8 hours of restful sleep can elevate the way your body processes nutrients. These small lifestyle tweaks enhance everything. In closing, let's remember the big picture. Blueberries are more than just a healthy fruit. They are a symbol of what it means to age with intention, to nourish your body from the inside out, and to make smart, thoughtful decisions that build a better future. By avoiding the wrong pairings and embracing the right ones, by creating simple routines and sticking to them, you take control of your health, one choice at a time. And the best part is that you don't need to make big changes. You just need to start. So tomorrow morning, instead of skipping breakfast or reaching for something quick, try a bowl of Greek yogurt with blueberries and walnuts, or blend a blueberry banana smoothie. Feel the difference for yourself. At Wellness Daily 365, we believe that aging should be full of strength, clarity, and vitality. And the choices you make today, yes, even something as small as a handful of berries, can help make that future a reality. Thank you for joining us. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe, leave a comment, and share it with someone who needs a little inspiration to care for their health. We're in this together, one smart choice at a time.